Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn what are all different types of numbers, how they are categorized, and this is going to be a detailed video in which we are going to solve few examples. And on this side I am going to make a Venn diagram or when we categorize all the numbers. So first we'll start with the natural numbers. So natural numbers is the set of all counting numbers. Example 1, 2, 3 and so on. So I am going to represent here with a diagram. This is our set of natural numbers. I am going to write it N natural numbers. Next is whole numbers. So whole numbers are all counting number. The set of all natural numbers and 0 together makes whole number. So example of whole number is the counting will start from 0, 0, 1, 2 and so on. So these are our whole numbers. As all the natural numbers comes under the whole number, this circle, this one is whole numbers. We are going to represent it with W. Next comes the integers. So all negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 makes integers. So example is -1, -2, 0, 1, 2. These are all integers. Whole numbers are only positive numbers, but integers are negative and positive numbers both. So integers we are going to represent by I. Next is rational numbers. So any number which is in the form of P over Q where Q is not equal to 0 are rational numbers. So any number which can be written in the form of P over Q or in the form of ratio where Q is not equal to 0 makes a rational number. Also there are two things we should keep in mind about rational numbers is that they are repeating decimals. Any repeating decimal will come under the category of rational number. Example of rational number is 2 over 3, 5 over 2 and so on. And also the repeating decimal should be a terminating decimal. The fifth one is irrational numbers. So any number which cannot be written in the form of P over Q are irrational numbers. They are also non-repeating decimals and non-terminating decimals. If the number is written in the form of a ratio and we cannot calculate the exact value of the ratio, then it is a irrational number. Non-terminating means never ending. We are not going to get the exact value. An example of irrational number is pi. Pi is an irrational number and root 10 is an irrational. Then comes our last category, which is real numbers. So all rational and irrational numbers together makes real number. Rational plus irrational numbers together makes real numbers. So let's clarify this with the help of Venn diagram here. So these are our natural numbers, then comes whole numbers, then integers, then here comes the rational numbers. This is R. R is rational numbers. Then IR is irrational number, which is different from irrational. So irrational we are going to make it here. And these together makes real number. So real I am writing as real. So together these are real numbers. One is the category of rational numbers. So integers, whole numbers and natural numbers comes under the category of rational numbers. And irrational number we can write as pi and root 10. These are irrational numbers. Root 10 you cannot calculate exact value. It is non-repeating and non-terminating. So this comes under the category of irrational number. Now let us take an example and find out what number comes under which category. So I'm going to write few numbers here and then we are going to categorize them in different categories. So these are our few numbers. We need to find what it is. So first number is 14. Very easy example. So this is a natural number. The second one is 5 over 6. 5 over 6, as we can see that it is in the form of p over q and q is not equal to 0. So this is a rational number. The next number is root 96. The square root of 96 is 9.79795 and so on. So this is a non-repeating decimal and it is non-terminating too. So this is a irrational number. Next is minus 87. As it is a negative number, so we can directly say that it is an integer. Next is 12 over 2. 12 over 2 comes out to be 6. So this is a natural number. The next one is minus 8.4. So minus 8.4 is an integer. And the last one is root of 49. So root 49 is 7. So this is a natural number. I hope this is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.